What's up everyone and welcome back to Quick Copper. In this video, we'll show you how to set a song as your ringtone on your Android phone. First, you need to open up your phone settings and then navigate to sounds and vibration. Then select ringtone. If you're having trouble finding it, use the search tool. You will see default ringtones, but to use a song, it must be saved on your phone. You can download royalty-free music from sites like Pixabay. And then once downloaded, select the song from the ringtone settings. Simply tap the plus button at the top right. Locate your songs like Ethereal Vistas, preview it, and press done. Now, whenever you receive a call, your chosen song will play as the ringtone. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.